Well, our Elektrolux Ikea dishwasher displays i20. What do you think I should check? I tried to clean it by using a dose dishwasher cleaning and running 70C program, but it has not lasted for long.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
I do not know how to do that.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, to start.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It's called Välgjord by IKEA and made by Elektrolux and installed 2015.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. i20 error code is a water draining fault. What you need to do is check the drain pump and the waste hose on this and see if there is a blockage in there. If the pump isn't blocked but it's not draining still, then it's going to be a faulty pump here. But if the water is draining and you get the i20 fault, then it's a pressure sensor fault on these, which needs to be either cleared or replaced. So that's what the i20 code means, so see how you get on with it from there.
Thanks, I'll check the sensor once I located it. There is a small hole in the bottom pot which may lead to the sensor. It is quite reasonable some dirt is in there. I have already cleaned the waste hose using a vacuum cleaner capable of handling water. The pump is not blocked as it actually pumps the water. I'll add the final result when done. It was great finding an AU homepage offering 24-hour services around the globe. I'm located in winter Sweden.
No worries. Yes, that hole you see in the bottom sump is for the tube to the pressure switch and can block up in there. So when you get it out, the pressure switch is located on the right hand side, so you need to remove the right hand side panel and then you can access it from there.
Thanks for the hints. Eventually I might need to use them. I haven't removed the pressostat yet. Instead, I ran a short rinse program. It stopped. Then I vacuumed out the remaining water, crushed a quarter tab, solved it in hot water and poured into the dishwasher. Waited for half an hour, then I ran a 70-oc hot program. It ran without stopping. Then again I put half a tab in half-liter hot water, left it in the dishwasher the whole night. Now I am running a 45 to 70 automatic program and is hoping it will finalize without hassle. I'll keep you posted. If this method works, I will every couple of months do a preventive cleaning to keep it running. Finally, it finished without an error code. Let's hope it does work okay for quite some time from now on. Smile. I'll be back when the next white goods machine stops.
Nice one, glad to hear it sorted and thanks for letting me know. If you could remember to click the star ratings at the top of the page, that would be great. Many thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.